Well, Miss is letting me know. Okay, is it muffled for everyone? Is there a weird sound coming in, a tinny sound? Let me know if it's weird for everyone, and then I'll have to swipe out. Thank you for checking. I don't see Susie yet either. Muffled. Okay. All right, we're going to do something. I'm going to have to swipe out of the app and back in, so hold up, guys. Irene, thank you. I hate to leave the view, though. I really do. Out of the app and back in, so hold up, guys. Irene, thank you. I hate to leave the view, though. I really do. Is that better? Is the audio better? Let me know. Thumbs up if it is. Let me know. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful sunrise here. Allison, good morning to you. Shay, good morning. Renee, Irene, good morning to you. Jose Sr., good morning, Jose. And Margie showing that love. Thank you, Margie, for stepping in with the love. Geo Smith, good morning, Geo Smith. Nice to see you. Rick, thank you, Rick, for showing the love. Thank you. Mindy, good morning, Mindy. Monica, good morning to you. Blue Eyes is back in the stream. All right, guys, chat's moving too fast for me. I'm not going to be able to keep up right now. But yeah, we got this beautiful thing going on here. You don't need to hear me. Teresa, thank you. Okay, fire on the water right here. CX30 and Walter, thank you for stepping in, both of you. Sky Defense Boutique, thank you for stepping into the live stream with us. Good morning, everyone. It's beautiful. Sunrise on the river. What a nice surprise this morning again. And we are so lucky to get such a beautiful view. It won't last long. When that sun hits the top of the trees, all of that will burn right off. Red Bing and Adriana, thank you both for showing the love. So nice this morning. Rosa, good morning to you. Thank you, Teresa, and my other friend with the emojis. Thank you so much for both of you for showing that love. Inner existence, thank you so much for stepping in. Red Being, thank you so much for the love. Good morning. Good Tuesday morning to you all. Thank you for stepping into the live stream. What a magnificent sunrise over the river this morning. We have it all. The rain fell last night, filled the river right back up. We were desperate for water. Everything's running nicely, fast and free. The water's crystal clear.